Hi there, everybody. I'm David Totten, our Chief Technology Officer here in the U.S. Partner Group at Microsoft. And we've got another three questions coming up here with Matthew Mace, the CEO and founder of BlueGranite. Hey, listen, before I get into the questions, we all know the pace of digital transformation is increasing every single day, and the volume of services and products and technologies that customers can take advantage of is blowing out. We rely here at Microsoft on partners like BlueGranite to take that last mile execution, driving value to customers where they are with the services that we have to offer. And so I just want to quickly, before we hop in, just congratulate BlueGranite on the success and thank them for the partnership. So Matt, thanks for being with us today.
Yeah, thanks, David. It's an honor to be here.
You bet. All right, well, let's talk a little bit about something that's near and dear to me. I know about your products. I know about your industry relevance. I know your transformation internally, but let's talk about skilling. Let's talk about your specific, unique, differentiated value add of how you think about skilling at BlueGranite differently than any other company in the world.
Well, at BlueGranite, we're committed to being a world-class culture of excellence, where we're masters of our craft. And we do this through three key pillars of our digital skilling program. First, we invest heavily in professional development and give each team member a dedicated set of funds that they can use any way they choose for their professional development. Second, we have a skill matrix we call Craftable, essentially a database of about 400 skills now. And each team member assigns goals to each skills they care about, where they want to move that needle, and also they can select skills that they're most excited about. And we can use that to match people up on projects and match them up to mentors internally. Our third pillar is that we have what we call BlueGranite MyPath. This is a program we've developed internally over the years. And this includes training and mentoring plans, learning plans, career growth planning. It includes a formal coaching program where if someone really wants to move that needle, we can help them go from, say, a solution consultant to someday an architect. And finally, we have a pretty strong, what we call our brand leadership program with blogs and webinars and ebooks where folks can put that learning to use before they have to apply it to a real client in a real project situation.
Yeah, it starts at the top. It starts with you prioritizing, making time, availing funds, right? Really putting the effort to energize your team. And now you've built this great framework. I love that. The craftable, the actual MyPath learning path, and then actually celebrating that internal readiness with blog posts, right? Giving people attention and the domain expertise that they have. I think that's fantastic. But that's my perspective. Tell me a little bit about how your employees have responded to all this investment and the focus on skilling.
Well, across the board, they're very excited about the pace of innovation in Azure. We have a real passion for analytics and a passion for helping clients uncover value from their data. That's our key mission and vision at BlueGranite. So I mentioned that craftable skill matrix where we can match up team members to the right mentors, the right projects where they're most excited and where they want to move that needle, and for those opportunities for learning and growth. From top to bottom, we have this commitment. Whether you're an architect at BlueGranite or a staff or solution consultant, junior or senior team member, a lot of times these folks are in the same training programs together. They're all learning because Microsoft keeps innovating and there's new technologies that we're learning and new features to those technologies. We've invested over 40,000 hours of pro dev time and tech leadership time over the last 5 years, which is a big number. But over that time period, we've been able to put it to good use and learn these new technologies like now Azure Synapse, before that Power BI and Azure Databricks. And we've been able to apply that time for training and certifications and to keep helping our clients evolve and keep helping them adopt modern data and analytics solutions.
It's fantastic. I mean, again, the investment you make, every leader out there is trying to think about how do I give my employees something more? How do I help develop them? How do I give them skills to make them better, right, in the future? And we all care about our people. But the reality is we also have a business to run, okay? And so when you think about how do you measure success and what's the business impact, right, for having this skilled, dedicated set of employees working on their own development?
Mm-hmm. Well, our primary measure is client satisfaction and long-term client satisfaction. Even when clients may have been initially more comfortable with legacy technologies. Clients love working with our team and they see our passion that we have for analytics and trying to figure out modern ways we can impact their business. It wasn't long ago we were known as SQL experts, known for our SQL Server skill set, an on-premises SQL Server. We've had this growth mindset where it's okay if we have to learn new technologies. And so this has put us front and center with clients as they're going through that same change, that same adoption. And I know, partners in your ecosystem are going through that same change and we're all evolving together. For our impact ourselves over the last 5 years, since we made that commitment to Azure and being in the cloud, we've been able to double our business, the size of our business. And so it's been an amazing transformation. We're very fortunate to have Microsoft as a partner. We love working with Microsoft. And along the way, we've been able to help both new and existing clients as they've adopted these new cloud technologies for data and AI and gone on that journey to impact their digital transformation strategy.
That's 100% accurate, Matt. I love that persona because that's exactly it. Customers want to get there. They want to take advantage of technology. You're assisting them. And the more skilled your employees are, the quicker they can get to market, the faster they can drive innovations leveraging technology. So listen, I know clients are satisfied, but let me tell you on behalf of Microsoft, we love you. And we love doing work with you. And we love the fact that when our architects sit down with your technical team, we don't have to spend a lot of time with the level 100 stuff. We can really dig in and solve problems together, leveraging the power of both of our two companies. So listen, I just want to say thank you so much for the continued investment in your team, in your clients, and our mutual success. If you want to learn a little bit about BlueGranite's proprietary skilling program, please go out and check out the US Partner Community blog.
Thank you, Dave.